The Louvre Museum and its iconic pyramid is one of the world's most famous cultural landmarks. Located in the heart of Paris, France, it is the most visited art museum globally, renowned for its extensive collection and the striking contrast between the historic palace and the modern glass entrance. Here is a comprehensive overview of the Louvre and the pyramid. The Louvre Museum. The Louvre is housed in the Louvre Palace, Palais du Louvre, a structure with a rich history that spans over 8 centuries. Original function, 12th century. It was originally a medieval fortress, built by King Philip II in the late 12th century to defend Paris. You can still see remnants of the medieval Louvre fortress in the crypt beneath the museum. Royal residence, 16th century. In 1546, King Francis I began converting the fortress into a grand Renaissance-style royal residence, which subsequent monarchs continued to expand. It remained the seat of the French monarchy until King Louis XIV moved his court to the Palace of Versailles in 1682. Public Museum, 1793. The idea of turning the palace into a public museum began in the 18th century, driven by Enlightenment ideals. The museum officially opened during the French Revolution in 1793 as the Musée Central des Arts. The Louvre Pyramid. The Louvre Pyramid is the famous glass and metal structure that serves as the main entrance to the museum. An architectural symbol that stands in the central courtyard, the Cour Napoleon. I hope you enjoy my journey in Louvre Museum and Pyramid in Paris.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? See you in my next content.